The original Renault 4 wasn't just a car, it was a tool. It was built for farmers, families, and even rally drivers. Fast forward to 2026, and Renault is trying to capture that do-it-all spirit in a high-tech electric package. But under that retro skin lies some seriously impressive engineering that puts many modern compact EVs to shame. Today, we're going deep into the specs of the 2026 Renault 4 E-Tech. To understand this car, you have to understand the Amp-R small platform. Most small EVs feel heavy and clunky because they're just gas cars with batteries shoved in. Not this. The R4 is built from the ground up as an EV. By sharing parts with the Renault 5, they've kept the weight down to around 3,200 pounds, 1,450 kilograms. For an EV that is feather-light, the wheelbase, it's been stretched to 8.6 feet, which means more stability and way more legroom than you'd expect for a car this size. One-pedal driving. It also features a refined one-pedal mode, allowing you to come to a complete stop just by lifting off the accelerator, maximizing energy recuperation. Now, here is where Renault is flexing on its competitors. Most small hatchbacks use a simple and cheap torsion beam rear suspension, but the Renault 4, it features a multi-link rear suspension. Why does that matter to you? Comfort. It handles bumps and potholes like a much larger luxury SUV. Handling. It keeps the car planted in the corners, reducing that top-heavy feel many EVs have. Combine that with a very tight turning circle of just 34 feet, 10.3 meters, and you have a car that is as happy on a mountain trail as it is in a crowded NYC park. Renault has its skin to the city. It comes packed with over 26 advanced driver assistance systems, ADAS. We're talking active driver assist, combining adaptive cruise control with lane centering. Rear crash side assist, to stop you from backing across traffic. But here's the best part for us drivers, the My Safety switch. We all know how annoying it is to dive into menus to turn off speed limit warnings or lane keep beeps every time you start the car. In the R4, there's a physical button to the left of the steering wheel. One click, and it instantly applies your favorite custom safety settings. It's a small detail, but it shows Renault actually listens to drivers. Let's talk utility. The top-spec motor delivers 110 kilowatts, 150 horsepower, and 180 lb-ft of torque. While it's not a drag racer, it has a secret weapon, towing. Most small EVs aren't rated for towing at all. The Renault 4 can tow up to 1,650 pounds, 750 kilograms. That's a small trailer or a couple of jet skis. As for charging, the thermal management system uses a heat pump as standard. This is crucial for my viewers in colder states like Chicago or New York, as it preserves your range when the temperature drops. It also supports bidirectional charging, V2G, meaning in the future, this car could actually sell power back to the grid or power your house during an outage. The Renault 4 E-Tech is a masterclass in how to build a small EV. It's got the soul of a classic, the brains of a Google smartphone, and the suspension of a premium sedan. It's a car that doesn't just move you, it makes you smile. America might not be getting it today, but with this much tech packed into a $30,000 package, the pressure is on for US manufacturers to step up. Would you trade your current daily driver for this French icon? Drop a comment below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more deep dives into the tech of the future. I'm your name, and I'll see you in the next one.
Disclaimer. This video is for educational and entertainment purposes only. The information regarding the car collection is based on public records thoughts.